Here we are, first time we are going to use the pipe debonder in the field. I played with it when I first got it yesterday. This is my second day having it. And yesterday I cut a few fittings apart and debonded them to see how the pipe, it would come apart, work like a charm. We're now going to do it here on the job. What we have is we have schedule 40 pipe, so it's pipe 40, and the size is 2.5 inch. So if you look right here, I cut off directly. I need to save this 45 because everything else is glued together. So the process is, once I stick this into the pipe like this and hit the green button, that pipe is going to heat. I happen to know, because I've used that setting before just yesterday, it's going to take 10 minutes to heat. So we're going to get started with that. It's going to count down 9 minutes and 57 seconds, and I am going to have you hold the debonder for the next 10 minutes. So there it is. And now we have a socket that I'm going to glue. I can re-glue to my 2.5 inch socket.
Cool.